Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a function that will display a title in our program in PHP and a function that will perform a simple addition of three numbers in PHP. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much for all my followers and subscribers of my channel. I hope guys that you have learned so many things already in our video tutorials. I am very grateful and appreciate for your all support. Rest assured that I will do my best to provide you with quality tutorial videos in my channel and give you the latest trends in computer programming, information technology, and lessons about life. So if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Functions in PHP is quite easy in my own personal opinion, no? So we start here with less than question mark PHP beginning tag in PHP, and then let's save first our work, no, so that it's easier for us to save and update our code, no. So create a folder, function, let's say index.php. Now the command, no, in declaring a function in PHP, example function title. Okay, so let's say for example here echo double quotation header 2 h2 sorry addition of three numbers using function in PHP. We have a very long title, that's okay. Let us close the header 2. Next, function addition. We have three processing parameter, no. Let's say for example $A, $B, comma $C. Begin, return $A, comma $B, comma $C, semicolon. Now we have already done, no, creating the function. Okay, so in our program we can have here echo title, and then we can have echo to br new line, no, HTML new line, echo sorry addition 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can have here the total sum is okay. So before we continue, let us discuss now how the code works, no, after we save this one and then we execute, no. So in PHP, writing a sample, as I said, in my personal opinion, is very easy. We start with the keyword function and then the function name. This type of function does not have any passing parameter, opening close parenthesis. We have here the opening left curly bracket, and then we have here echo h2, the title of a program, addition of three numbers using function in PHP, close with header 2, and then right shift curly bracket, no, to end. Now this is for the title, the first function. The second function, addition, has already a passing parameter. What are the passing parameters in this function? We have three, $A, $B, and $C. So this passing parameter, we will put a value later on in our program. Now, left curly bracket, and then we are using the return statement. The return statement here is the same in C, C++, in Java, in C# to return a value. So $A plus $B plus $C. The comma, I make a mistake there, no? So let us save. So it will sum up the values of $A, $B, $C. Now, right shift, curly bracket to end, and then echo title. Echo title, we will execute the title here. It will display addition of 3 numbers using function in PHP. And then echo to BR in HTML new line. The BR new line. And then we have here echo the total sum is, we call the function here. And then we have 3 passing parameters value 1, 2, and 3. So we are expecting 6, no? So after we have done coding and save our work, the next step is to run the code. So we can have here function. Okay, so we have the result already. The font in this portion is very small. The total sum is 6. So let me add some adjustment, no? The result is already right, but the font is very small, no? It is more on the display. Oh, refresh. So we have here the total sum is 6. We can remove this BR. Okay, so we have here already done, no, the right result that we are expecting. Actually, we can remove down because of the spacing. Okay, let us return, refresh. Okay, that's the right result, no? So addition of 3 numbers using function in PHP, the total sum is 6. So as we can see, PHP is one of the most easiest programming language to learn how to program. And then if you have a background in C, C++, Java, even in C#, Perl, you can easily adapt with the PHP programming language because the syntax in the command is almost identical in many aspects. So another example, if we want to change a value here, let's say for example we can have 5, 10, and 15. We are expecting 30. So what we will do is just to refresh. The total sum is 30. Addition of 3 numbers using function in PHP. Okay, so we have already done writing, testing, debugging, and running our program. How to declare a function, how to use a function, how to create a function that has a passing parameters that will perform addition of 3 values using PHP. Before we end, I would like to say thank you very much for our followers and viewers of my channel for the support. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Says until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.